running in the rain. I gotta make it to the gym, baby. They can't stop this rain, baby. I'm putting in pain. Rain, sleet, snow, hell. You can't stop me. I'm a monster. I gotta make it to the gym. Cause the gym saved my life. Alright? Never forget that. They told me I couldn't make it. They said you gotta go through them Nori doors. You from New York City? Not me, baby. I create my own lane. I don't need you fools. Look at this. Hold on. Y'all see this? I'm running on the expressway, getting to this gym through the rain, cause I don't give a goddamn. You hear me? I'm a monster! Yeah! Y'all weak. Y'all sheep. I'm a lion. Look at this. Come to the lion's den with the monsters. Can't stop me. I'm a monster, baby. Yeah! Let's go! Getting this cardio in. I don't give a damn! No matter what, I'm gonna make it to that gym. You hear me? The gym saved my life. And I'm trying to save y'all life. Cause this is what God sent me to do. I'm doing God's work. God's work right here. I'm God's favorite child. I ain't never gonna slow down. I got my foot on the brakes. Send me to Addy, I'm hunting him down. You hear me? I'm gonna grind my way up out this mess. Same way I did it before, I'ma do it again. And those of y'all who believed in me and supported me on my journey and been there since day one and still joining in, I respect you. As a man, I respect you. Look at this. Look at this. As a man, I respect you. Because they ain't respect me. They ain't give me the decency. You know what I'm saying? They ain't give me the courtesy that I deserve. They ain't give me the respect that I deserve. But y'all gonna respect me now. I'm gonna force you to respect me. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna force them to respect me. Cause this is what I do. I'm a monster. I work, baby. 9 to 5 is better than 25 to life. You know what I'm saying? I keep it pushing. I keep it pushing. I just keep working. They hate it. They hate when I'm around, baby. They hate it. Fuck you! Fuck you, asshole! Yeah! You gonna let me across this street, bitch?